Hello, today we will guide you through how to review a merge request in GitLab. We'll be walking through the basic path for opening a project, finding a merge request, and viewing its changes so you can begin your review. This is a simple process, but knowing where each section lives in GitLab makes it much easier to move around confidently. Start on the GitLab homepage. This is your main landing area where you can access your projects and other development activity. If you're signed in already, you should be able to go straight to the main dashboard and begin from there. From the homepage, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Projects. This section is where GitLab lists the repositories and workspaces available to you. If you work across multiple projects, this area helps you quickly locate the one you want to review. Next, open the project you need. In this example, select the sample project. Clicking into the project takes you to that repository's main page where you can access its code, issues, pipelines, and merge requests. This is the central workspace for everything related to that project. Once you're inside the project, go again to the left side navigation and click Merge Requests. This area contains all proposed code changes that are waiting to be reviewed, discussed, or merged. It's the place where team collaboration around code review usually happens. Now choose the merge request you want to review. In this walkthrough, open the sample request. Selecting the merge request brings you to its detail page where you can usually see the title, discussion, status checks, and other useful context. Before looking at the code itself, it can be helpful to briefly scan this page so you understand what the request is meant to change. After that, click on Changes. This tab is where GitLab displays the actual code differences included in the merge request. Here you can inspect what was added, removed, or modified across the files in the branch. This view is the core of the review process because it lets you evaluate whether the update is correct, clear, and ready to merge. As a helpful tip, when you're in the Changes tab, take your time scrolling through each file and comparing edits carefully. Even if the update looks small, reviewing the diff closely helps catch mistakes early and improves code quality. That's it. You've now opened a project, located a merge request, and navigated to the Changes tab in GitLab to begin reviewing the proposed update.